Growing your own green eggplant is easier than you think. In this video, I'll take you through the full journey, starting with tiny seeds sprouting on paper towel, moving into nursery pots, and growing stronger every single day. You'll see exactly how I water, give sunlight, and prepare the seedlings before transplanting them into big pots. By the end, you'll know the real steps you can follow to grow your own eggplants at home. Let's get started. Day 1. I start by pre-germinating the seeds. Moisten a paper towel so it is damp but not soaking wet. These are high-quality F1 hybrid green eggplant seeds. Spread the seeds evenly over the moist paper towel so each one has space to sprout. Lightly spray water to keep the paper towel evenly moist. Cover the plastic box and keep it in a warm, dark place to encourage faster germination. Prepare the nursery pots with a seed starting mix. Full details in the description. Lightly moisten the soil before sowing, so it's damp but not soggy. Make small holes in the soil of each nursery pot to plant the seeds. Day 4. Look at this. The seeds have sprouted and tiny roots are already showing. A great start. Gently pick up each germinated seed from the paper towel, being careful not to damage the delicate roots. Place one germinated seed into each hole, ready to grow strong. Gently cover each seed with a thin layer of soil so the roots can grow strong and free. Give the soil a gentle watering to help the seeds settle and start growing strong in their new environment. Label each seedling so you can track its growth and avoid mix-ups. Keep the seedlings in a small greenhouse or a bright spot with indirect sunlight for 6 hours daily, helping them grow strong without stress. Day 6. Look at these tiny seedlings. They're beginning to grow, and their first young leaves are starting to appear. Day 7. The seedlings' leaves are starting to develop and grow stronger. Give the seedlings a little water every day to keep the soil moist, but don't overdo it. Too much water can harm their roots. Day 9. The seedlings are spreading their leaves and building a stronger root system underneath. Day 11. The plants are growing rapidly. More leaves mean the seedlings are ready to take in more sunlight. Water every morning to keep the soil consistently moist, but make sure it's not waterlogged. Day 14. The seedlings look healthy with multiple sets of leaves. At this point, they're almost ready for the next stage. Day 17. Wow! These little eggplants now have 3 strong true leaves. Reduce watering slightly and give the seedlings 2 to 3 hours of morning sunlight each day for the next 3 days. This tip helps plants grow stronger and better tolerate sunlight after planting. Day 20. Look at these little eggplants. They've grown 4 strong true leaves and are now ready to be transplanted into bigger pots to continue growing healthy and strong. First, water the seedlings thoroughly in their nursery pots to reduce transplant shock. Then, carefully move them into large pots filled with nutrient-rich soil, where they'll continue growing into strong, healthy eggplants. For planting, I use a spoon to make holes. It's simple, fast, and perfect for small seedlings. Plant the seedlings at the same depth they were growing in their nursery pots, and gently firm the soil around the base to help them stand upright. Give the containers a good watering, making sure the soil stays moist but not waterlogged. Thanks for watching. Wishing you happy gardening and God bless you.